This is the Insulated Fashion Lunch Tote by Sachi. This is the green tropical leaf design, yet they have multiple design choices to pick from to suit your preferences. Thanks Sachi for sending this to us to compare and share this handy product to have in your home. Now it has two carrying options. You have the common handles made of sturdy material for carrying around, and you also have this removable shoulder strap that's extendable. You can put it diagonally or shorten it up and have it just over your shoulder. Now, the reliable zipper opens to provide access to roughly a 9-inch deep, 9-inch long, 6-inch wide opening with a leak-proof liner inside. In case there are any spills, you can just wipe it clean. The zipper closes securely, closing the top in nice and tight, reinforced, and keep it all nice and secure. And so that's the green tropical leaf insulated fashion lunch tote by Sachi. It's really good. And the tote comes with this extra zipper pocket on the front for you to be able to put any extra things in there, cutlery or condiments or something special that you want to keep separate and handy right there.